Hi, and welcome to how to make an interactive course calendar for your students. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to have our calendar already made. And we're going to take the Google template that I sent out, or that has been sent out, and we're going to insert it in the very top of the document. So we're going to do insert page breaks, or you have it pulled up somewhere else. Okay, so hopefully you have it pulled up in the background, and we are just going to hit Control A and highlight the whole thing. I've made it on here for you. This shows you this year's cohorts, but next year just update that. You put your course name in here, so we'll do that real quick. So English. And then we can fill in these print help pages in a second, but right now we just want to make sure that we have our course name in there. So again, we are going to highlight and copy this section, and we're going to go back to our course, or the calendar we've created, and we're going to Control Paste. So before we can link these dates with where they go in the calendar, we're going to need to make sure that we bookmark each calendar. So right now we only have one, and we're going to end up having 5. But we're going to figure out what we need in each calendar. So for example, and this is something you're going to do on your own, and you can hit pause and then come back to this. But for, we'll figure out, so week 1 will be missing for the second cohorts, or the second start date. So we'll have to figure out what we really need from here, and then make sure we get it into that first week. So however your department has figured that out, and then hit play, and we will continue. Okay, glad you're back. For this recording's purpose, I have just duplicated my calendar 5 times. I'll go back and worry about what to take out and what to keep in later. But for right now, I just want to make sure I can show you how to do this. Now I'm doing this on Google Docs so that it is saved, it's out there, but if you want to do it in Word, you can do the same thing. It's both the same. So for every first page of the calendar, so I'm going to have 5 first pages, okay? So for every first page, I'm going to insert a bookmark. 14. And we'll see that here is our next one. Okay, so what I want you to do right now is I want you to go ahead and press pause and put a bookmark on the top part of each page of each course calendar. Once you are done bookmarking each beginning page, you can then hyperlink into your document. So to hyperlink into my document, I will first highlight the first start date, and I will right-click and hit link. And then you will click on bookmarks. In Word, it's a little bit different, but you again click bookmarks, and that will take you to that page. You hit apply, and you do the same for the rest of them. Of those hyperlinked, you can now move on to the print help. So for the print help, you're going to put what page do you start at and what page do you finish for printing. So for example, if I was in cohort 1 where my start date was 8/25, then I would only print pages 2 through 13. And so you go ahead and you figure all those out and you type them up. And that way your students have a very quick reference on what pages they should type. So there you go. Now you have an interactive course calendar. So again, if I am the person that is a start date of 9/8, then I'm going to go ahead and I would click on that, and I would find that yes, that is my start date, and I would see a calendar that works according to when I started class. I hope this has been helpful. Thanks, and have a great day.